Alright, today I'm going to show you how to get free ringtones. Just about any ringtones you want on iPhone 4S, 5C, 5S. Yeah, just pretty much iPhone 4S and above. Jailbroken. It's going to be under Big Ross repo. You should already have it. You should pretty much already have it. I think it comes with Cydia. See. Just want to search ringtones. You want to get it on your Big Ross repo because that's the main author and it's free. So yeah, you just want to install it, respring your device, and let me see. I'll show you that it works. Just random ringtone, yeah. If it would ever load. Is the internet down? Oh gosh. It's taking forever to load. Let me see. Okay, there it goes. It normally doesn't take that long. Let's see, wiggle. You can preview it. I'm not going to preview it. Add ringtones. Oh, crap. Yep. And it'll be there. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll show you that it's there. Be sure to comment, rate, subscribe for more. Comment what you want me to do next. Thanks for watching. Bye.